Hey, it's Adam Goldfein giving you the legal advice that you've got to know, especially if you've been involved in a car accident. I'm sitting here with Richard Griffin, one of Atlanta's top personal injury lawyers. Richard, thanks, by the way, for coming and sharing advice on what people need to do, especially if they've been involved in an accident. And I got to know, God forbid, you get into a car crash, what's the first thing you've got to do?
First thing is call the police. Second thing is you need to get all the witness contact information. Third, take some photographs of the scene and of the property damage. And fourth, you really need to contact an attorney quickly thereafter. Also, of course, you need to get medical treatment if you need it.
Right. So why would you put that in and contact an attorney that soon? Shouldn't somebody wait maybe a week or a month? What's the story there?
Well, the insurance company is going to start investigating this immediately. And so you need to have an attorney be able to guide you through the property damage, how to get the medical treatment you need, and if there's recorded statements, we either don't give them or we're going to be on the phone as well to make sure that those are conducted properly.
If somebody's been involved in a car accident and they do call an attorney and they want some advice, that call, does it cost anything or is it free?
It is absolutely free. You know, that advice, I mean, finding out if you have a case, finding out what your case is worth, having your legal questions answered, all of that is totally free.
Now, does it make a difference if you hire an attorney or you try to handle on your own as what you'll recover?
Well, there's an insurance study that found that you're going to recover 3.5 times more if you have an attorney versus if you don't. That was something that
3.5.
3.5.
So if somebody would have gotten $10,000, they're going to get almost $35,000 just by hiring somebody like you.
That was the insurance study, but you know, from my experience, I think hiring an attorney can make a bigger difference than that, especially on the large cases when you can have hundreds of thousands of dollars in recovery versus little or nothing if you don't have an attorney.
All right, so it's really important if you've been involved in a car accident or you're even a passenger in a car, you got to use your smartphones, you got to take photos of the accident, you got to make sure that you call the police. Obviously, as Richard said, you've got to get the medical attention that you deserve. But the most important information that we can give you really is the phone number that's on the screen. Either the website injuryatlanta.com or put that phone number in your cell phone because like Richard said, it's unexpected, you don't know what to do, and should you be involved in an accident, you need to know someone that you can turn to and trust and get the answers that you need. And there's no cost for that, right?
There absolutely is not. In fact, there's no cost even if there's no recovery. If you hire an attorney, there's no out-of-pocket expenses, no retainers. We collect only if we get a recovery for you and a percentage of that recovery. So there's never any out-of-pocket expenses at all.
If somebody had an accident and they want to go for some second advice or some information, could they call you as well?
Absolutely. I will personally look at the facts of your case and give you the answers that you need to make sure that you are going to get the recovery that you're entitled to.
So here's what you've got to do. Take the phone number on the screen. If you've been involved in an accident, speak to Richard, find out what your case is worth. Otherwise, put that number in your phone so you're always prepared in case the unexpected happens.